Bitboy Crypto has said that Cardano will be delisted from all exchanges. But what could be the reason for this? Would you agree? Stay tuned until the end as we uncover the answers to these questions. During the last week of February, Cardano's tokens fell to their lowest price in more than 3 months, and this was in response to Etoro's announcement that it intended to delist Cardano from its platforms in the United States. Further, as a result of regulatory concerns, ADA has become the latest victim of the murky and opaque waters that have plagued the nascent cryptocurrency industry. So here is why Cardano may be delisted from all exchanges. Let's start by looking at a graph that shows what the price of ADA is doing in the first week of March before we get to our topic. Despite dropping below key support, the Cardano native token recovered quickly. After that drop, the ADA has rebounded decently with a long wick lower than the key support. Moreover, ADA is currently trading at 85 cents. Key resistance levels are $1 and $1.1. In our most recent analysis, we saw ADA make a move below the critical level of support at 85 cents. However, it was able to reclaim the 85 cents level and confirm it as support since then. There is no doubt that this price pattern is bullish. However, the main question is whether the price will be able to sustain above that critical support level. Currently, the bias is neutral. Further, a break above $1 is required for ADA to turn bullish, and a hold of 85 cents will do the same. In the event ADA holds above the key support, the most likely scenario is that the resistance at $1 will be tested. This will determine how ADA's price will move soon. Further, on the first weekend of March, buyers defended the 85 cent support level. So getting back to the topic, Charles Hoskinson of Cardano tweeted recently that the move by Etoro to delist the ADA token for U.S. customers was completely unexpected. Meanwhile, Israeli-based Etoro announced on February 1st that it will delist ADA by December 26th along with the Tron Foundation's TRX token for its customers in the U.S. Etoro first added ADA to its crypto offering in 2018. In addition to this, Insider was told that the exchange's decision to limit U.S. customers' ability to open new positions in the two digital currencies was based on rapid changes to the regulatory landscape. Despite the arguments of critics, the U.S. regulatory landscape for crypto isn't yet clear. Officials believe that regulations are necessary and more guidelines will be developed by 2022. In 2015, Hoskinson founded the cryptocurrency trading platform Cardano, and he said he was still uncertain about the platform's decision to delist ADA from U.S. accounts. Furthermore, Hoskinson stated there's currently nothing we've received, no regulatory event, no subpoena, nothing from any regulatory agency, no threats of lawsuits, none of these things. And that's why we're so blindsided by it, because actually the trend has been over the last 6 months a significant increase of liquidity on Cardano. On our side, we had no indication of this from Etoro, and it's rather unfortunate that nothing was sent our way. In the days following the decision, ADA's value tumbled almost 4.8% to a 3-month low, whereas TRX fell 5% to a 1-month low. But still, the coin remains one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies of 2021. And according to CoinMarketCap, it has gained about 850% so far this year, making it the world's 9th largest digital token by market value. Though it's fallen short of the 14,000% gain seen in rival token Solana this year, it has easily outpaced Bitcoin's 102% rise. Additionally, with its capability to host smart contracts and other applications essential to decentralized financial systems, it's a smaller competitor to Ethereum. As we knew, several of the biggest exchanges have listed Cardano. Originally listed on Coinbase on March 19th this year, on Binance in 2017, and on Kraken last year, it was listed in 2018. ADA was listed at Bitstamp in 2021, however, Gemini has not yet listed the altcoin. Moreover, Hoskinson stated, we at least could have better understood the reasons and will, of course, reach out on our side to better understand reasons, but it's primarily the Foundation's responsibility, Hoskinson said, referring to Cardano Foundation, a non-profit organization in Switzerland that is the custodian of the Cardano brand. While Etoro's decision came as a surprise, Hoskinson was ultimately sanguine. It doesn't surprise me from the perspective of these things happen. Everybody has a different compliance desk. Everybody has a different regulatory tolerance. Everybody has a different customer base. Aside from this, Hoskinson stated calmly, there are no liquidity problems. You win some, you lose some, pointing out Bitstamp's inclusion of ADA and its difficulty in getting whitelisted in Japan, which led to its increased liquidity. According to him, they would investigate the reasons for Etoro's move since Cardano has had no regulatory event, No subpoena, nothing from any regulatory agency, no threats of lawsuits, as well as recalling the remarkable increase in Cardano's liquidity in the last 6 months and the fact that exchange after exchange are listing ADA. According to Hoskinson, the risk of Etoro being de-risked is due to their regulatory tolerance and customer base, rather than a problem directly resulting from ADA. Considering Bitstamp's listing ADA is a win over Etoro's limitations, and Hoskinson sees a more promising role for crypto and U.S. bills to come, the ADA FUD might be an opportunity for growth. In the meantime, what could be the unknown reason behind Cardano's excitement for March 17th? However, despite its lukewarm performance in the last 6 months, Cardano continues to be an attractive investment for investors. As opposed to other altcoins, Cardano's price decline began 3 months before the rest of the market. Still, investors hope that it could be coming to an end soon. Additionally, an innovation fund campaign called Project Catalyst uses quarterly campaigns to support developer projects. Also, there will be an allocation of $16 million from the Cardano Treasury for Fund 8. Aside from this, $8 million have already been allocated for 269 projects in Fund 7. Further, it is expected that the number of funded projects will double this quarter. With its doubling of funding every quarter since its creation, Project Catalyst has become the largest decentralized innovation fund in the world. Meanwhile, the deadline for proposals for Fund 8 is the 17th of March, and it is expected that Cardano will make impressive moves on the price charts after the proposals come in. Since Cardano's inception, its development and community have been its strongest points, and strengthening them would improve price action. Not only that, because this might also motivate investors to invest. Additionally, a significant increase in Cardano prices would be crucial, as the altcoin has not seen any major gains since September. Although they attempted to recover, they were unable to sustain themselves. As a result of bearish market conditions, the rally of 12.49% on the 28th of February has been invalidated. Also, a drop of 13.29% has been observed in ADA, especially over the same period. Furthermore, Cardano's price has already reached its yearly low, trading at 0.834. After March 17th, ADA would be targeting $1.02 as its immediate goal in case a rally takes place. Moreover, a recent spike in transaction volumes of $42.64 billion indicates that people still have high hopes for Cardano. It's also notable that balances on addresses have not been decreased lately. As a result, investors are not exiting following the market's losses. In light of the increase in volume and investors' belief, we can conclude that investors are active. Although they are looking for a concrete recovery signal, it is worth mentioning that they are looking for specific numbers, and this will be extremely helpful once the actual recovery process begins. By 2022, how much is Cardano expected to cost? ADA's maximum price in 2022 will be determined by a wide range of variables, such as the current state of the crypto market and the global economy, as well as the current state of other cryptocurrencies ADA considers a competitor, such as QTUM or Waves. Further, ADA is predicted to hover around $2.5 in 2022, which is very optimistic when you consider it is currently costing $1.9 per token. Now, how much will Cardano be worth at the end of 2022? The ADA price is expected to reach $4 by 2022, according to several experts. Even though we consider this an overly optimistic hope, it certainly is possible. As CoinDesk points out, ADA may surpass its previous all-time high and reach $5.17 in the future, particularly if environmental concerns continue to gain attention in the crypto community. The researchers also warn that usability issues might discourage some investors from purchasing the coin in 2022 and may cause its price to stay at $3.99. In addition to this, some CoinCora analysts suggest Cardano's future price could reach $12 to $15 by the end of the year if ADA continues to rise throughout the year. Also, CoinSwitch forecasts that the price of ADA will reach $3 in 2025. While Wallet Investor is more optimistic, it predicts that ADA's price will reach $9.8 by 2025. Then there is also Trading Beast, which predicts the per dollar price of ADA to be $5 in 2025 and does not expect ADA to gain much in the next 4 years. In addition, the longer an investment is, the more difficult it becomes to predict its outcome. Cardano, however, has a lot of positive attributes and an eco-friendly product with good adaptability, a solid roadmap, and a talented and dedicated team at its core. There is no doubt the company is here to stay. Although it is impossible to predict Cardano cryptocurrency prices in 2040 and beyond, we are optimistic that it is a good long-term investment. Meanwhile, do you think Bitboy Crypto is correct that Cardano will be delisted from all exchanges? Let us know your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.